Hey guys, it's Jaster here. I'm the owner of Jackercraft, and this is probably the second video I'm doing on this channel. I've got another channel as well, so you might want to check that out. And I'll do let's plays and such on there soon. I'm going to get back to making some videos. Anyway, now I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft 1.3.1 server that was released a few hours ago. I'm not sure, but I just saw it. You're going to want to come to minecraft.net and click download now. There is a version of Minecraft which is called Bukkit, but they take a while to update since they have to code everything and blah blah blah. Anyway, download Minecraft for Windows. This will give you an executable file, but if you have Mac it works basically the same. You're just going to want to get the jar and follow what this says here. Blah blah blah. You can do that as well if you want to have like a command prompt window instead of a GUI. Anyway, once you've downloaded that, make a folder wherever you want, and you should have the Minecraft server in it. And you're going to want to start it, and it will start and it will generate these files such as the world, the band IPs, the band players, the ops, the server log. No idea what that is, to be honest, and a whitelist, and this is done. So now you're going to want to close that, yeah. And you're going to want to come in here. There we go. Okay, finally. You're going, if you want Nether, then yeah, I think that's still laggy because of the lighting issue. I'm not too sure. You can change the level name if you want, which is your world. Enable query. I guess that allows query plugins that use the query thing. The server port. This is important if you want your friends to join or anything, and you don't want to use hamachi, because I really do hate hamachi. You're going to want to put the server IP, which is your IPv4 address, I think. So you're going to want to what is it, CMD I think. Yeah, and you're going to type ipconfig, and it'll be this one here, 192.168.1.69. and then that will set it up. And you're going to want to port forward this port, or you can change it to whatever you want. I think it can't be, I think it would be like, yeah, like that. If you want a tutorial on how to port forward, then just comment and I'll be happy to make a tutorial to help you guys. And this, yeah, just do what I said and it should work. And for people to connect, they do not use this IP. To get the IP that they will use, just type into Google IP, and this IP here, people use this to connect to your server with the port at the end with colon and 25565 or whatever your port is. Max build height, I think you can change that without any errors, but I don't know, I've never actually played with that. Spawn NPCs, which will spawn the villages and stuff, and this whitelist. If this is true, it will read a whitelist.txt file, and any names that are in that text file will be allowed into the server. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is new, I think. I think this is some anonymous information that they sent to Mojang or something. I can't remember, I read it earlier. What was it? I can't remember. Hardcore, I think that's if you die you get banned from the server. I'm not really sure. A texture pack, I think, is now supported, so you can force people to download texture packs when they join your server. I think you just put any link here or a URL and it will download that for them and then use that. Online mode, you usually want to keep this to true, otherwise people who don't have the real Minecraft, like premium users. People who aren't premium can join, and your server could get hacked quite easily, so I hear. Game mode, this is the default game mode of your server, so if it's 0, people who join will be on survival, but if it's 1, everyone who joins will be on creative. Max players, well, it's a bit obvious what that is. Spawn monsters and generate structures. Spawn monsters is spawning monsters. Generate structures, I think, is just the NPC villages. MOTD is just that will show under your server in the server listy thing. I can't remember. So you want to save that once you've done all the IPs and stuff. Remember, if you want to learn how to port forward and you don't know how, just comment and I will do my best to help you in another video. So here's our server. Stop Minecraft. Now, as I said, let's start it. I have no idea what a key pair is. I've never seen that before. Okay, so as I said, if you try to connect with this IP, it should not work. If you've port forwarded, it will not work. I don't think you need that. Oh dear, I don't think I port forwarded very well. Anyway, if you haven't port forwarded, wait, just bear with me right now. Direct connect. Let's try this. Yeah, okay, I think you can connect with that IP. I really don't know. But for people to connect, you should usually use yes, this. You should usually use that, like your external IP. You can just find that by typing IP on Google. You can join, and ta-da! And then in the console, you can type OP, then whatever your name is, and oh look, they've changed that. Used to be different. Used to be yellow and stuff. And now you can use all the commands and whatever. There's probably some server-side mods you can get for vanilla, such as Techit, which I don't think is actually up with 1.3.1 yet. Well, I doubt it is, since it has 41 separate mods and has to wait for them all to update. Anyway, you now have a working Minecraft server. And if you don't know how to port forward and stuff, you can get hamachi, but I really do not like it. It can make your internet really slow and just mess with it. So I hope you've found this tutorial helpful, and goodbye, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.